Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and apa khabar semua? So in this video, saya akan memberikan sedikit tips how we can create a meeting ataupun for our lecture menggunakan UMT WeBex. So pastikan kita punya page adalah umtwebex.com yang mempunyai paparan on the top right hand side adalah logo Universiti Malaysia Terengganu. For those yang still lagi tidak activate dia punya account WeBex with UMT, so boleh majukan sebarang persoalan kepada tim PPPTK. Alright, so just go to sign in. Okay, enter your email, your UMT email address. Next. Okay, your UMT email address, password, sign in. Okay, this is our WebEx interface for UMT. Alright, dia ada home on the left, meetings, recording, preference, insight, support, download, etc. Until WebEx support. So to start a meeting, okay, is either we can use desktop apps ataupun use web apps. Okay, first thing first, this is your personal room, so boleh you can edit later on. Okay, untuk tetapkan jadual for your class ataupun your meeting, just click schedule. Okay, schedule your meeting types. Okay, meeting topic, for example, lecture topic 1. Okay, so this is the meeting password. It's straight away, it's automatically ada pada this column. Okay, time, bila time yang kita nak setkan, for 1 hour ataupun 2 hours. Okay, so click here bila kita punya date for our next lecture or next meeting. Okay, just click 14, which is today, dan akan start at what time. Okay, for example, like kalau your class ataupun your meeting at 10 o'clock, make sure that by 9:55, so kita dah boleh open the link, and please make sure that even though 9:55 the participant starts to join the meeting ataupun the class, tetapi without host punya tak lagi activate, so they can get into the meeting yang telah dischedulekan. Okay, for the duration is for 1 hour ataupun it can be 1 hour and 30 minutes, so still up to the host ataupun the owner for that particular meeting ataupun lecture. Okay, it's done. And then don't forget attendees, that's okay. Sebab nanti kita boleh just link, copy link yang akan didapati later on. And then paste to our students group ataupun on our LMS as a reminder to the student. Okay, so just click schedule, and then okay, lecture topic 1. So I'm the host. Okay, I'll be hosting this lecture topic 1 in this exercise, and then it's either you can copy, edit ataupun cancel or add to my calendar. Okay, so this is all the meeting information. And then the link inilah yang kita boleh copy, so and then post kepada your group WhatsApp ataupun on our LMS. Alright, so followed by the password. Okay, here the password, just in case ada participants or students yang cannot join that particular meeting. Alright, terima kasih. Till we meet again, hope this video will help and benefited to everyone. Okay. Bye.